Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today, we'll be showing you how to post a photo on Instagram, step by step. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom of the screen for the plus button and tap it to start your post. Step 3. A menu will pop up, giving you a few options. Choose the post option to begin uploading your photo. Step 4. Now browse through your photos and select the one you want to share. Just tap on the photo and it will be ready for the next step. Step 5. If you'd like to post multiple photos, tap the multi-photo icon. It looks like a stack of images. Then select the additional photos you want to share. Step 6. When you're ready, tap Next to move to the next screen. Step 7. Here, you have the option to apply a filter to your photo. If you want to make further adjustments, you can tap Edit to tweak things like brightness, contrast, or saturation. Step 8. Once you're happy with the look, tap Next again to move to the post configuration page. Step 9. Now it's time to add a description to your photo. You can write a caption or add any text you'd like, but it's totally optional. Step 10. If you want, you can tag people, products, or even set a reminder. These options will help you personalize your post and reach more people. Step 11. Next, choose your privacy settings. You can make your post public or private depending on who you want to see it. Step 12. Once everything looks good, tap Share to post your photo to Instagram. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.